Bonjour, bonjour, Vijay. Excellent instruction. It's just what I was looking for. Simplistic, everyday conversation is what I was looking to attain in a short span of time. And I think if I just spend my time reviewing what I've gone over, I would be very confident going to Paris.
Whee!
And
I,
I'm very thankful. I need to spend the time myself. She's doing a wonderful job.
oh,
Thank
merci.
you.
Oh,
Thank
merci
you very
beaucoup.
much.
Oh, thank you so much, Guillaume. Merci beaucoup. We love having you, and you're absolutely going to be ready for your trip to Paris, France. You're going to have the best time. So, bon voyage.
Bon voyage.